So let us see another part which is known as multiples. So what are multiples? Now, a multiple is a product of two numbers. So for example, multiples of 6 are obtained by taking 6 times 1 is equal to 6, the first multiple. 6 times 2, which is 12, the second multiple. Another multiple is 6 times 3, which is 18. Another is 6 times 4, which is 24. Now the multiples of 6 are 6 itself, another is 12, another is 18, another is 24, but they continue more than that, and so on. So let us see now the multiples of 12. What are the multiples of 12? So the multiples of 12, we start with 12 itself. It is the first multiple. Another multiple is 24, taking 24 times 2. Another is 36. Another is 48, and so on. Now the multiples of 18. What are the multiples of 18? First of all, 18 itself. Another multiple, 36. Another multiple, 54, and so on. Now let us learn about the properties. What are the properties of multiples? First, every number is a multiple of itself. Now why do we say that? Because, for example, taking 7 times 1, 7 times 1, this is the first multiple of 7, but the answer is 7 itself. So the first multiple of 7 is 7. Now the second property, it states as the multiples of a number are infinite. They have no end. That means the same number 7, it starts with 7, the first multiple, the other is 14, the other is 21, the other is 28. So they go on, they have no end. You can just get a lot of numbers. You will never reach the end of the multiples. They are infinite. Number 3, multiples of a number is greater than or equal to the same number. So for example, taking 5, the first multiple of 5 is 5 itself, which is equal to the number, and then the following multiples are greater. So 10, 15, and the multiple is 20, and so on. Now let us see the so-called lowest common multiple. For example, so in short form, LCM. Now for example, find the LCM of 9 and 18. So the solution to this, we should first know the multiples of 9. What are the multiples of 9? We have 9 itself, and then 18 the second, another is 27, another is 36, another is 45, another is 54, and so on. 18, what are the multiples of 18? We have 18 itself, and then 36, and then 54, then 72, and so on. Now let us see the multiples which are common in the multiples of 9 and 18. The ones which are found in multiples of 9, and then which are also found in the multiples of 18. So the common multiples are 18 and 18. So the first one is 18, the other is 36. It is found in the multiples of 9. Also, it is found in the multiples of 18. Another common multiple is 54. It is found in the multiples of 9, but also in the multiples of 18. So the common multiples here are 18. Another is 36. Another multiple is 54. Now, the LCM, the lowest common multiple, should be there. It should be selected there. So the lowest common multiple is 18. Answer.